Hello, welcome to the Sure Way English PTE question of the day. Every day we bring for you a new PTE video to help you practice and achieve a high score in your exam. Don't forget to check out our website, sureway-english.com, and sign up for a free PTE course and many other PTE resources. Let's begin with today's video.
Akimbo. This must be one of the odder-looking words in the language and puzzles us in part because it doesn't seem to have any relatives. What's more, it is now virtually a fossil word, until recently almost invariably found in arms akimbo, a posture in which a person stands with hands on hips and elbows sharply bent outward, one that signals impatience, hostility or contempt.
Well done! Please take a minute and subscribe to the channel. Also, like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. We will see you tomorrow with another video. All the best. Bye.